Hey guys, even if we didn't hit the like goal for 3 likes yesterday we are still going to do me trading with my sister. So let's get this video to 5 likes, and we will do a game. We might not, because I'm going over to my friend's house. But if we hit it at 5 likes, I will film a video of me and George, like popping our poppets and playing. But that's only gonna be for like, wait, what time is it? I need to check your Switch.
Okay, it's 12.
Check your iPhone.
It's 12:56.
12:56. We're only gonna be like 3 hours. 3 hours to know. Okay, guys, let's get to this. What would you be offering first, my lady?
You can pick first.
I will offer my.
Wait, I gotta make one thing before we do that.
Yeah.
I have to make the accept, the add, and the no button. So
YouTube has disabling our comments. I don't know why, but I don't know. But do you know why they're disabling people's comments?
I don't know. I think you're putting no comments instead of yes comments.
No, we don't do that. Okay, let's do this now.
Okay, let me. I'm on the phone. Just gonna leave this row real quick.
Okay. Just because this video is gonna be a long time.
No, it is not.
Are you sure about that, Danielle?
Yeah, I'm positive it's not gonna be long.
Look what she's doing. I don't know what the heck she's doing. Here, I'll zoom in to see what she's doing. She got T.
So this is a yes button, this is a no button, and this is the add button. So if you want me to add, you press the add button. If you want to decline, you press the X. And if
Wait.
you wanted to say yes, you take the check mark.
Okay, as you can see, these. Forgot to unzoom it. These are stuff. 3, 2, 1. You offer first.
Oh, I want you to offer first.
Wait, what is T offer? Oh no, T is for more offers, right?
What?
Like plus is for more offers.
Plus is to, like, if I put this, you'd press add, and I'd have to add another thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'll offer my flower pot.
I'll offer.
No, you have to offer something first. So what are you gonna trade me for?
Trade you.
What does that mean?
That means that I don't want to trade it.
Okay, because if I put out this, then you put this, and then if you wanted more for this, you press the plus button.
Okay. What do you want? What do you want? We're gonna trade me.
I'll trade you this bike chain.
I'll trade you my squishy ball.
Okay, I accept.
I accept.
So
And I would take this. Okay, now it's my turn. Sorry about the technical difficulties. I will trade my Amonis Rainbow Poppet.
I'll trade my flower pop for that. Add, okay. No, I decline.
Okay.
I
will offer my dino.
Dinosaur one.
Dino.
Well, I'll offer my flower poppet.
Accept.
Accept, okay. So now that I got this, I'll set that down. It is my turn to offer. What will you offer for my big tub of slime that's actually good?
I'll offer the bike chain.
You need to add. This is a lot.
Decline.
Okay. I'm happy about that because my slime here, it is really good.
Okay.
If I can find it.
What are you gonna offer for my diamond poppet?
Your diamond poppet. I heard that's a really good poppet. What about my crab poppet? Add? What about the stress ball?
Except, yeah.
X. I don't want that.
Okay.
I don't want to give up my crab poppet.
I will do my heart poppet. It's a really good one. It pops really good on both.
So let me test it.
Try here. They're all the camera.
Let's test that out. So this is the silent side.
Isn't it good?
Let's see the good side. Kind of the same on both sides. A little flimsy.
It's a really good one, right?
It's a little flimsy for a poppet. But what about
I really want that thing right there,
this?
Danielle. I really want that thing, viewers. I really want that.
This right here?
No, I really want something else.
What do you really want then?
I'm zooming in on it.
I can't see it. Oh, this?
Mm-hmm.
What about my water timer?
I will accept that.
I'll accept that too.
Gimme. Yeah. Shut up, Alexa.
Okay, now I'm going to try and get all of his poppets. What will you trade for this slime and this slime? I'm hoping he puts all of his poppets in. Add. I'm hoping he puts a bunch of poppets in. Whoa. I accept. What if I put this in? Well, then you will accept? Fine. I wonder what he'll offer for this though. My nice buttermilk mango butterfly slime.
I will offer my diamond poppet.
Your diamond poppet, that sounds good. I'll of course accept that.
I'll accept you.
Now that I have this poppet, I need his other two poppets. So I'm going to be offering this, except I might scam him. Okay, this is a legendary color-changing big gallon of slime and nobody can find it. What will you offer for this? I really want those two poppets, of course.
And that.
I'll accept.
Can you add? Wait, where's the add?
I'll add this color-changing stress ball.
Add.
I don't really have anything else.
It's fine, I'll accept.
Yay! I got all of his poppets, guys. I got all of the poppets.
Look at these little puppets. That's going to be all for today's video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss one of our videos. And please make sure to get this video to 5 likes. And I'll do another one at my friend George's house. Bye!